In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to effectively remove gaps from your Wix website to create a seamless and professional-looking digital presence. We'll focus on two areas in this tutorial: adjusting your page height and adjusting your section height. By mastering these two areas, you can significantly improve the visual cohesion of your website. For starters, let's delve into adjusting page height. This process is quite simple and involves clicking anywhere on the page while you're in the editor mode. Once you've done this, your attention should then be directed towards the bottom of your page. Here, you should notice an icon labeled Adjust Page Height. You need to see this as your main tool in this task, as it will allow you to either extend or reduce the length of your page. To close any unwanted gaps, you should simply drag this icon upwards, effectively shortening the gap. However, Wix also offers a shortcut for this by allowing you to double-click this icon. Through this action, the system will intuitively make the adjustment for you. Specifically, it will adjust the page height to fit the content perfectly, removing any excess space that might be available. With the page height properly adjusted, let's now shift focus to the height of the individual sections within your web page. This process shares similarities with adjusting the page height. To start, identify the specific section that you want to adjust and simply click on it. This action will highlight the respective section, making it easier for you to work on. Much like in the previous step, you'll also find a handle at the bottom of your chosen section. Your next command will be to drag this handle upwards. By doing this, you are effectively removing all the unnecessary blank space within the section and making it look balanced and well put together. Again, you should remember that there's an option for an automatic adjustment of space too. To enable this, you only need to double-click the handle. This action will compel the system to automatically fit the section to its content. These simple steps should help you in creating a more streamlined and professional-looking Wix website. No longer will you have to worry about the unsightly gaps that make your site look disjointed or poorly designed. In just a few clicks, and with the help of Wix's intuitive interface, you can improve the overall design and functionality of your web page significantly.